Are you trying to lose that weight, but you're not able to? You're just tired of that stubborn belly fat and you're not sure why it won't come off or if there's an all-natural supplement to actually do that and maintain a good, healthy metabolism? Well, don't worry. Today we're going to be looking at an amazing health supplement called Meticore that's going to help you with this issue. Now, you might be asking, who am I and why am I doing this? My name is Brian Herschel, and I'm a health researcher. I'm really passionate about what I do for two main reasons. One, for my own health and well-being, to know which are the best supplements out there. And two, to help you guys, my family, friends, and people watching this video to get the best supplements at the best price. Now, how did I come across this information, you may ask? Well, looking at hundreds of articles, blogs, videos, information on the internet, just searching, finding the best information I could, even talking to health experts to make sure that Meticore actually does what it says. Now, before we get into how Meticore actually works, I do want to caution you and let you know that there is a scam going on with Meticore. Now, it's not the product itself, but there is an issue of websites offering this product in retail that aren't the actual product. And what I mean is maybe you go to a different website that's not the official website, you buy this product and you don't get the benefits of it, and you've also lost your money. So to avoid that, I have the link below in the description of the official website so you can pick up the real product and get the real results. So how does Meticore work? Well, it awakens your sleeping metabolism. It does this by allowing your metabolism to wake up, activating your digestive system, and by doing these two things, it helps flush out nasty toxins out of the body and prevent weight gain. When you have your metabolism working correctly and you have all the toxins flushed out, it's going to be a big help to not just weight gain, but to your health as well. It's been tried and tested through many different trials to make sure it actually does awaken your sleeping metabolism, and it does actually help you to lose weight. So what are the ingredients in Meticore? There are four main ingredients in Meticore, and they all do amazing things. So what are they? First, we have Moringa oleifera. And what this does is flush out all of the bad toxins in the body. If you notice, a lot of bad toxins slow your metabolism down or stop your metabolism, and this is contributing to weight gain and to a lot of other health problems. By using Moringa, you can flush out all of these toxins and work towards a healthy metabolism. Number two, we have ginger. Now, ginger has a wide array of health benefits. There's a plethora of things that ginger does very well. But what ginger helps do is, for this, reduce inflammation. By reducing inflammation, that also helps speed up your metabolism and get it on the right track. Then you have brown seaweed. Brown seaweed is known for helping with weight loss. It also helps regulate insulin levels, so that's another benefit it has on keeping you healthy and losing weight. Finally, we have African mango. This is a great ingredient for just helping you to lose weight, and in addition to that, keeping your cholesterol regulated. So you might be wondering, are there any side effects to Meticore? Is there anything worth noting? Now, since it's all natural, as we discussed, there are no side effects. However, you should take precautions, consult with your physician, make sure everything is in order, and there's some precautions to note, like if you're pregnant, you shouldn't be taking this product, or if you're under the age of 15. Now, you might be wondering, where can I get it? So I looked at a lot of different websites, and on my journey for weight loss and to help others, I came across the official website with an 80% discount in the link below. And I'm so excited for you to get this product and start working towards your weight loss journey and a healthy metabolism. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe.